Hello everyone, welcome to Span Technologies. In this video, we are going to discuss about the direct integration with the ICICI Bank. So by using this integration, we can able to credit our employee's salary within a three simple step from Spine HR. So this is the current salary credit process in which first we have to process the salary, then we have to generate a NEFT file, then we have to do login into the various bank portal and upload a NEFT file manually, then salary it's get credited, and finally we have to do the manual reconciliation. But after doing the direct integration with the ICICI Bank, we can able to transfer our employee salary within a few simple steps. That is, once my salary processing has been completed, then we have to select an employee for a payment. We have to authorize the payment with OTP, and salary it's get credited to the respective employee's account. Now let's check how to use this salary payment module into the Spine Payroll application. So this is the login screen of Spine Payroll NX where we can able to do login with the respective username and password. Now for using the bank payment option, once my salary processing has been completed, then we have to go to the payroll. Under the payroll, we are having a payment option and then bank payment. In this particular screen, there are two options. One is the transaction history and one is the make payment. Transaction history, in which we can able to check the all previous transaction done by us along with the status. And for making a payment, we have to click on a make payment option. Then we have to select a basic filter for a payment, that is a payment base on a process along with the supplementary or arrears. Then we have to select a month, that for which month we are going to transfer the salary, and we can able to select a basic filtration options available into the Spine Payroll NX. Then we have to click on the next. So this is the bank detail, in which first we have to select the account based type, that is a primary, then transaction type NEFT or RTGS, bank account number. Then we have to enter the remarks over here and click on the next. Then system will listed out all the employees along with the employee count and total amount payable, and we can able to check the available balance amount in a ICICI bank account. Then we have to click on a make payment option after selecting the employee. So I click on a make payment, and system will ask us the OTP. Then we have to enter the OTP in the screen and click on a verify and proceed, and payment get completed, and we can able to check the status over here. We can also able to check a detailed transaction done by us along with the transaction date and the status. Now for using this ICICI bank payment module, we have to do the one-time registration with the connected banking with these simple steps. So now let's check into the application that how to register ICICI bank account into the Spine Payroll Annex. So for a one-time registration, we are having an option into the payment option only, that is a bank registration. So by using this module, we can able to register our ICICI bank account into the Spine Payroll Annex, for which we need to click on the register button first. Then we have to enter the general information, that is a corporate ID, user ID, account number, and a LIS ID. And we need to click on the register button. So the moment we need to click on the register button, system will send registration request to ICICI Bank for a self-approval. Then we have to do login into the ICICI Bank portal along with the username and password. And we have to go to the connected banking, and under the connected banking we are having an option that is a connected banking approvals. So by using this particular menu, we can able to approve the registration request sent by the Spine Payroll Annex. And once this activity it's get completed, then we can able to check the status over here, that is a registered. So once this registration has been done, then we can able to use this ICICI bank payment module for transferring the salary to our employee's account. So this is all about the ICICI bank payment integration. Thank you for watching this video.